Guys, this absolute unit thinks he is a human. Best thing ever. Guys, this furball is malfunctioning. So funny. Okay, but that good boy stopped working. Too cute.
Это une tâche là.
Захват.
Hola, guapa, hola, hola. ¿Qué te pasa?
Hey, the orange cat needs a factory reset. FBI, open up.
Work with me. Just work with me. Oh my God, my little prince! You're my little prince. Oh my God, you're my little. Oh. Мойша.
OMG, that good boy is questioning reality. Cuteness overload.
What? New guy energy.
Okay, but this little guy is having an existential crisis. Legendary.
Não, eu digo, oi, a minha irmã. Minha irmã agarra aí, amiga de galo, de pinta. Oi? Não. Oi.
No way, this animal is trying to fly. I can watch this all day.
She's happy for me. She's happy for me.
Wait for it, this cat is training for the Olympics. Too cute. Help, this legend shows violence today. My brain hurts. OMG, this cat is fighting a ghost. 10 out of 10. Okay, but this kitty regrets everything. Same bro, same. Listen, this little guy thinks he is a human. FBI, open up. Bro, the orange cat just failed physics class. What is going on? Look it, that kitten is judging you silently. I can watch this all day. No way, this cat forgot how to walk. Emotional damage.
Hey, no, you're chicken. No, you're chicken. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop it. Stop it.
Sometimes. Oh.
Oh my god, this potato is training for the Olympics, insane. Guys, the boss thinks he is a human, I need him. Wait for it, this fluff ball wants a refund on life, too cute. Yo, this animal wants some food, unbelievable.
Why are you growling?
Povísimo, gordo. Ayun.
Wait for it, that kitten just saw something, send help. Wait, the doggo is malfunctioning, I am dying.
No.
Who's gonna go swimming? You ready to go in the pool? Are you ready?
Listen, this furball is questioning reality, I can watch this all day.
Yo, dumbass.
Seriously, that husky just realized he is a dog, my brain hurts. Dude, the puppy stopped working, insane. I swear, this potato is acting crazy, mood.
Put it back in there.